Hello, my name is Evan, and I'm part of the customer success team here at Knowledge Anywhere. Today, we're talking about the question bank for our assessments feature. If you haven't already, I encourage you to check out our videos about our assessments feature before watching this video. You can find those video links in the description. You can find the question bank in the Content section under that Manage Content Header dropdown. You'll see some KPIs at the top here that you can click, and questions that qualify will display. Also note the filters on the right. Let's say I'm an HR person, and I need to create a simple new quiz for some new hires. I'm going to select several basic questions to add it to the assessment course that I've already created. I'm going to select some questions here and then add them to my assessment using the option at the bottom. Take a look at the options presented when selecting a question. Maybe I'm part of a nonprofit that needs to create new weekly onboarding assessment courses. I can do that by selecting the Create Course option to quickly make that weekly assessment. It's important to note that questions added to assessments in this manner will be attached to the main question pool. I also need a way to reference which questions are which. I can use a metadata attribute to better differentiate my questions, since I'm now training several parts of my organization and I don't want the marketing team to get the questions that are specifically for engineering. If you want to add more attributes, head to the Content Add-ons dropdown and select Question Metadata. I also need to activate a question that my manager approved, so I can use it for my assessment. I'm just going to filter the status here, and there's my question. I'll just activate it using this toggle, and then add it to my assessment. And that's it. For further assistance, please contact our customer success team at support@knowledgeanywhere.com. Thank you for watching.